Okay, how are we going to do that? We're going to use the Universal Vertical Graphics Card Holder Kit V2. In this case, we have the PCI 40 riser cable included here, which is different because this one has this purple cable here. It's not all black, but has this purple cable here. The only difference between this and the other version 2 kit is it's only the cable. Basically, they are the same, and this we have this cable, which should be let me check in the box, but I think the cable should be long 160. I don't know if the camera can take it here. Okay, so the cable it's long 165 millimeters, and yes, in my case it's enough. The length is enough because I have Asus TUF gaming case 500 and 501. Let's go with a quick unboxing and let's check what's inside the box. Okay, let's open this thing up. The box is huge. Check what we have here inside. Okay, here we have the cable, which comes with an anti-static bag. Nice. More or less flexible, but we will check that after when we're going to install it on the case. It seems to be a little bit flexible. Okay. So what I have here in the box, the bracket itself also here. This can be it's nice. What else we have here? Some screws. Okay. Quick user manual. Okay, on how to install it. Okay, so you have first to do that, but we'll go later on it. Okay, that's it. Let's go and install this thing. And let's go and install the cable here. Okay. So you have to do it this way. You have to go basically put it here, this way, and here we go. So this part here should be here, and then let's go. seems okay. Let's go to install it on inside the case. So I have to remove this this cover here because I have to pass these two power cables on this hole here, because they have to be on the back of the graphic card in order to be installed, because otherwise they will going to touch the front panel here. Okay, this is it. I have to trouble a little bit with the cables because there was not enough space between the RAM and the power cable. So let's go and check if everything is working properly.
Okay, here we go. Hardware info is showing to us PCIe 4.0, so all is working properly, and so the system is checking the GPU as it should be, and also GPU Z is showing also here the bus interface is PCIe 4.0. I'm going to check now, also make a test with a 3D Mark with a PCI Express bandwidth test. Let's run this and check also the speed here. Okay, all good here. And this is it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.